Hey, welcome to Do What Now. My name is Dan, and today we're going to draw a favorite food of mine. That's a burger. So let's make him cute. So follow along and let's get started. All right, to start off with, we're going to draw a line, but it's going to have a little curve to it. So this is the top part of the bun. All right, good job. And we're going to give the puff around the bun. So to give it the shape. Good job. Now we're going to make him cute. That's what we told, right? We're going to draw a cute burger. So draw his two eyes, two dots on either side, and between these two dots, we're going to draw a smile for his face. Ah, there you go. He's looking cute already. Next, we're going to draw his teeth and the lower part of his teeth, just lines, just like that. And we're going to draw the shape of his tongue. And inside, we're going to fill it up black. Hey, by the way, did you know in outer space, astronauts can't eat regular burger because the crumbs would float everywhere? Good job. Next, we're going to draw the healthy part of the burger. That's the lettuce. Is it lettuce or lettuce? Lettuce? Okay, so lettuce. So to do that, we're going to draw these curved lines. And some more of them, just like that. If you feel I'm too fast, you can pause the video and then continue drawing. Great. Next, we're going to draw the tomatoes. A curved, more like a U shape. One more U shape. More of a flat U, okay? And one more U shape. And next, we're going to draw the inner textures of the tomato. Hey, by the way, did you know that the world's largest burger weighed as much as a small car? Wow, that's really heavy. And also, did you know that the word hamburger got its name from the city of Hamburg that's in Germany? Interesting, huh? So I'm not really happy with the texture, so I'm going to erase it. Sorry, guys. But you need to know that a eraser is your best friend. As an artist, it's good to use an eraser always. Because we all make mistakes, and it's absolutely fine. Yeah, that feels better. So you get to draw these smaller U shapes inside the tomato. Alright, next we're going to draw the cheese. How many of you likes cheese? Yeah, there you go. That's one corner of the cheese. It's sort of oozing out. So we're going to give it a little flow shape to it. Great job. And next we're going to draw the yummy part of the burger. That's the patty. Alright. So again, curvy lines. Just add them. Good job. I can imagine you guys are doing a great job. Next, we're going to draw some more leaves. You guys like some more leaves in your burger? All right. Good, just like that. So if you notice, it's more of curves that I use over here. Next, we're going to draw the lower part of the patty. Again, it's more of a flat curve, straight line. I'm just going to redo that again, just to get the proportion right. Curved, straight, and going back all to the leaf. We're just going to draw a few lines just to show that it's curved. Great job. Add a little dots to the patty so that you can understand that that's the meat or that's the veg patty. Good. Next, we're going to draw some hatch lines. And these hatch lines give a little more pop to the whole burger and the leaves. Next, we're going to draw the sesame seeds that's on top of the burger. Small tiny circles. Great, great, good job. Keep it up, guys. Hey, did you know the most popular burger topping in the world is cheese? Yeah. There you go. Those are the hatchings, alright? Little lines can actually just pop your drawing. Now we're going to start coloring the image. So keep up with me. Hey, one more thing. Did you know that National Cheeseburger Day, that's on September 18th, that's happening every year? September 18th. Alright, now we're going to start coloring the burger bun. We're going to start with the lower part of the burger bun, that is. So you're going to take the light brown color. Good job. You can start coloring. So remember one thing, when you're starting to color any portion of anything of your artwork, always start with the boundary. So if you create a boundary, then you won't spill out. So create the boundary and then start filling the color inside. Great. So in that way you have a neat coloring for your artwork. Good, that's looking good. Next I'm going to color the leaf. So like I said, the outer part of the leaf you color first and then you fill inside. Keep going, good job, good job. Yes. And now we start filling it inside. So comment below guys, what is your favorite food? Is it a burger? Let me know. And if you like what I'm drawing, do support me by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys, it means a lot. Let's continue to finish up the green part of the burger, the lettuce leaf. Let's continue doing that. Next we're going to draw the yellow color. Pick up your yellow color and let's color the cheese. The yummy, cheesy, melting cheese. Alright. Good job, good job. Hey, did you know that the first burger, it did not have bun, rather they used bread. Next we're going to draw the tomatoes. We're going to pick up the color red and we're going to fill it up one by one tomato at a time, one slice at a time. Let's also fill up the inner part of the tomato. Good job. That's looking good. Hey, did you know that some people have made burgers out of bugs? Would you like to try one? Ooh, that's gross. Alright, now let's color the top part of the bun. Again, drawing the outer edges of the... First we're going to fill up the outer edges and then come in and fill up with the colors. Just like that. Great job, guys. Alright, let's continue coloring. Keep it up guys. Good job. So now next what we're going to draw is, or color is, the patty. Take a darker shade of color, darker brown that is, and let's fill up the part where the patty lies. Just like that, all the way up, and start filling inside. And yes, and now it's almost looking there. It looks like a cute hamburger. And let's fill up the color of the tongue. That's again the same red color that you use for the tomato. Next we're going to create a little more shadow effects. So where you drew the hatch line, let's get a darker brown, and let's continue drawing just the sides, just like that, how I'm doing. And this sort of adds a pop to the whole image. Yeah. Next what we're going to draw is a little sparkle to his eyes, just to get him a little more lively. Just a white color dot on his eyes. There you go. Oh wow. Next we're going to add some highlights to the whole image. A little pop of white here and there, just to give a little glossiness. And there you go guys. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, share and subscribe. It means a lot. So see you soon.